Hi, I'm Dr. Karpati, here to review Summer Sole Inlays. This is such a great product. It helps keep your feet dry. It literally wicks the sweat away from your feet to help keep them nice and dry and from sliding around in your shoes and your sandals. The other great thing about a Summer Soles product is that it is replaceable. It's similar to a Post-it note, so you can put it over the top of the inside of your shoes on the insole, and it helps to keep your insoles clean and dry. It helps to lower the bacterial count because it's wicking the sweat away, which helps to control odor as well. So it does a lot of wonderful things in one small little package. It comes out like this. It has an elastic back, and what it ends up looking like is just like this. It sits over the top of the orthotic. In my case, I have it over the top of the orthotic, and it really keeps that orthotic top cover nice and clean, and then you can just peel it off when you're done with it. The easiest way to put a summer soles on is basically you lie it over the top, and you'll be able to tell if it's a little bit longer. It'll hang over the edge. I've pre-cut mine, but basically you just take a scissor to it, and once you have it laid over the top and you've got it in the place that you want it, you can either peel it back from here or you can peel it back from the heel. It doesn't make much of a difference which way you go from. And once you've got the little edge, you fold that back, you replace it just to make sure you've got it in the spot that you like it, and you basically mush it down in that spot. That's a good medical word, to mush. You peel it back, and it just goes and lies right on top, just like that, and you're done.